everybody, I am Shikha Sharma and I am back with another interesting setup for my client Geetika today. So have a look what we've done. I know you must have seen the low setup before, but today the theme was lavender. So we used these beautiful flowers. So I have this Hessian runner, and then we also have some cinnamon to add an element, natural element into the decor. So this is how I put it, and then we have pine cones and some decorative natural stuff. Lavender napkin with the ring. And I use different color of jars. It looks nice, and sometimes you don't need too much, less is more. And I've used bit of contrast, used a little bit of pink, and it's up to the expectation of my. And have a look at this. We have this one as a backdrop. $65 to enhance the look of decor. So I have used
For the category
as a backdrop. These are fake ones. I mean, it's not fake actually. The artificial flowers. These are the lavender, and I have put it as a display to go with the theme. And once again, I would show you what we have done here. Have a look. So we have used these jute carpets as well. They look so nice and elegant. They add a raw touch to the decor and a natural element. So whenever you have a seating outdoors, this was our plan B actually. We were setting up over there. Just because of the rain, we have to follow our plan B. So make sure whenever you're planning your events in outdoors, you have a plan B. So yeah, this is all for today, and I hope you like my work. Contact me for your upcoming events, and I look forward to hear from you. Please give me your feedback. It really motivates me. And if you also have any suggestion, for example, instead of this flower, I can use another one. Definitely, I will take that on board. And please let me know. I'm always open to your feedback and your suggestions. Thank you so much. And once again, let's finish off with the table. So once again, we have these beautiful lavender napkins, and these are the rings I have used in that. Because it's a day event, I didn't go very glittery kind of rings. This is how we have set up the cinnamon sticks. That is the highlight. It also smells really nice. I look forward to hear from you. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.